Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I was looking for a raincoat that was going to be adorable, but also actually work. This raincoat by LOMON is exactly what I was looking for. I have it here in a size medium and in the color pink. I'm super obsessed with that pink color, and the size medium definitely fits true to size for me. I'm usually a medium to a small, and I think that this is the perfect size where I can wear something slightly bulky under it, but it's not going to be too big on me. That hood actually covers my head, which is amazing. So it's keeping me dry. Even if I have like my hair up, I'm able to wear the hood, and it's going to help me to stay nice and dry. Overall, this raincoat is just perfect because it has that zipper and then it has the snaps up. It also has that inner drawstring, so you're able to cinch the waist if you want a cuter kind of little cinched waist look. It's got deep pockets, again, that hood, and it's not too heavy. It's a pretty lightweight raincoat, but it is keeping me dry. I have used this in torrential downpours. We have tropical rainstorms all the time, and when you need to go out and you need to get things done, it's not easy to stay dry, but this raincoat has absolutely helped me to do that. But it's not too bulky, so I don't mind wearing it in the hot summer months. And it looks really cute with whatever outfit I wear it with. I'm obsessed with that blue striped lining. So when you cuff the sleeves, that comes through with that pink. It's just absolutely adorable. I'm really happy with this raincoat because it's cute, but also functional. It does its job. It keeps me dry. I really, really love it. So if you are looking for a super cute raincoat that's going to keep you dry and comfortable, I highly recommend checking out this one. I really, really love it, but that's just my point of view.